Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make your own mechanic functions for the card game. So to start off with, your mechanic functions are going to be very small. So we're going to zoom in, hold Control, and then plus on your keyboard. Now right now my screen has a grid system on it. Yours probably doesn't. If you like that grid system, you can go to Preferences, and then you can turn grid on and off, and you can set the grid to be whatever size you want. You can choose pixels, inches, percents, whatever the case may be. For now, I'm just going to turn that off so it's not in the way. So there's probably two things that you need for any sort of mechanic system. You need a shape, and then you need an icon. So we're going to start with a shape. I'm going to go to the ellipse tool, and then I'm going to hold, if I drag it out, I get an oval. And if I hold the shift button, I get a perfect circle. That looks good. And then you may want to color it according to whatever the property of the icon is. For instance, if you're doing fire, maybe you make a red icon or something like that. Now, if you want to add some special details to this round background part, you can right click and go to blending options, and you can do some things like bevel and emboss or satin, or maybe even a color overlay, whatever looks good to you, and click OK. Now the second part of the button, the mechanic function, should be some kind of icon, and I recommend just using one of the custom shapes in the custom shape tool. So click and hold on this shape button, so it might be rectangle or ellipse or whatever. Go to custom shape, and then at the top you'll see there's a shape and then kind of a flyout menu. Now it might take a little bit to load, but you have all of these very cool icons that you can choose from. You can certainly make your own icons as well, but if you can, I would just try and find an icon from this list. And let's see, I'm trying to look for something that's kind of fiery. Oh, let's just do this, okay? I'll make a love icon, okay? Or maybe it's a health icon. Since the background color is red, I'll probably just make the icon black so it stands out and it's easy to view. That's usually how it goes. You just do kind of like a black on a color. All right, I hope this helps. Now there is probably one more thing that you need for some sort of mechanic function, and that is text. So I'm going to click on the text tool, and I'm just going to type next to it what this mechanic function is. So plus 2 health. And then I'm just going to slide this closer so that people know that these two things are associated. So there you go. You have background color, you have an icon, and you have some text that goes with it.